Joe Barton from Ramp, the Dennis Advertising Agency, with today's Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today I want to talk about website retargeting. Every day you have people coming to your website looking for information. Some of them will call, but a lot of them will leave and look at other websites because they're in research mode. What website retargeting does is when somebody visits your site, whether organically or through pay-per-click, you drop a cookie on their device. Then, whenever they surf the internet, they start to see display advertisements for your practice. One of the things we highly recommend and makes retargeting more effective is to put an offer on there, generally a new patient offer. To learn more about Ramp, go to rampresults.com or give me a call at 1-800-620-RAMP, RAMP.